Hi guys, this is Bo. Welcome back to my channel. If you know me, you'll know I never throw away anything sewable. I always think I can turn things like rice bags into something useful. So this time, I made a few purses for our family holiday trip. You can never have too many purses on a trip, right? First, I cut the printed parts into rectangles. Make sure the rice bags are clean before cutting. Otherwise, you'll end up with the same mess I had. Next, measure the zipper, cut it to size, and cover both ends. Sew the zipper onto one side of your chosen fabric, then attach the other side. Top stitch along the zipper for a neat finish. Fold the pieces together and sew all the way around. Box the bottom corners, sew them, and trim the excess. Then turn it right side out through the open zipper. And that's it! A simple, useful little purse. It looks great and is so easy to make. I ended up making 2 more in no time. What do you think? I think I'll be saving all my rice bags for more projects in the future.